Hello, good evening everyone. This is once again Lennon over here. Uh, I'll just make this another part 2 video of the Vatsila FOS. So please go ahead and watch this for the basic all information. As quickly as possible. So as you go to this charts, as you go to the status menu over here, you will see this page which is opening over here. Let me drag this little bit on top, somewhere over here. Okay. So this is your charts, and every day, every watch, you just check whether this is online and this stuff. Okay. This will not show not up to date unless and until you send a catalog. So there is a procedure like as usual. First send a chart catalog, and then you send an update. Right. So if you can see something here, this is a weather forecast which has been updated to 6th of August. Okay, so every 3-4 days you can update the weather forecast. I'll also show you that one. And then there are this Admiralty digital publication. One is your ADP, another one is your ENP. Alright. And down below, if you can see, for there is something called troubleshooting. This send report, so you can directly online send them whatever problem that you are facing. But for that one also there is a procedure. Not from here. There is one more option which you need to explore and then send it from there. So where you can directly type in for whatever. If you open this option, you will not be able to type it. Alright. So for this one, just press chart catalog. So over here, request order. If you can see, this is by default it has been selected for ENC and TX97. So just unselect this one and then select this one. As I told you earlier, if you order this one, you will receive charts and everything, but it will be only for the FOS and not for your EGDIS, because the EGDIS supports ENC, SENC format. Okay, so no point in just ordering for keep that. Then go ahead and press this next. As you can see, you can just send this request. This is save 2 days. This when you have to order it for the offline. I'll also show you that procedure for offline. So this, if you press finish, if you can see, estimated data size is 3 MB, and then make sure you have enough traffic and then you press yes. After pressing yes, then you can go to this charts, and then you can see this request history, whatever you have requested, and then you will be able to see whatever 3 requests whatever you have made. So they will be showing up over here. Alright, so that is one thing. You can ask for catalog of all the 3. One is, that is your ENC, ADP and ANP together. Alright, that is one thing. Okay. And I think it takes hardly about let me see how much time. ADP, ENP and ENC catalog. You see, these 3 catalogs are there: ENC, ADP and catalog. So you will receive them quickly, about I think 20 minutes somewhere, 15 to 20 minutes, and then you will receive them. Alright, that is one thing. After that, you will see something over here like not up to date. Okay, not up to date 16 or 14 or something, whatever the number is. So what is not up to date is the data. Okay, the data is not up to date. So for that reason, you have to press this option will come. This option will get highlighted after that, which shows that update charts. So press this update charts, select only ENC, and then you will be able to get the updates for that chart. Alright, same thing over here. Okay, now coming to the ADP individual update, you see all these areas have whatever are there, whatever license you have into the system. So you can see all these things are there, and these areas have been selected, and then you press next, and then email, and then you can send a request. Alright, this is how. Again, go to this AENP, and then same thing you can do, update, and then you can send a request from here, and then you will be able to receive the update. In such case, so and so, like so basically what I do is every Thursday evening after one more thing, Vatsila FOS will send you AVCS updates on your computer also, which has been registered with your email address, like for your ships. So after that only you make sure that you send this update. Alright, in other words, if I'd like to tell you is, let them first send you the weekly update. So usually it comes on Thursday. Okay. Initially there was some delay in because of this COVID and everything. They had some delay with sending, so I had received it on Saturday also. So I was worried for Friday. So I just emailed them from this troubleshooting support that I have not received and so and so. I'll show you that messages also. So in such cases, what you have to do is just wait for Thursday or Thursday evening time, or maybe Friday early morning time, or you will receive an update. That is AVCS update. I'll show you that on the computer. Okay. So after receiving that update, then only you go ahead with update catalog and all those things. Okay. Reason is, if you don't receive that one and if you make this update catalog, this is still for this week. Okay. This is still for this week and it is not for the next week. So for example, if I do update catalog now, it will be there for this week 31, which is now. I will not, because as I told you, they have some time. I mean, they have some time which at what time they update their cloud system and all these things. Okay. So yeah, one more thing over here is this weather forecast. I told you as weather request is already in process. Do you want to repeat request? Okay. So this is how you can go ahead, and this is where you can check whether whatever you had asked, so it has been installed properly or not. After that one, what you will see over here, what you will see is this AVCS export. Okay, this is for transferring. Okay, I told you that time, this is for transferring. AVCS export is for transferring. So you click over here and this will turn into orange. There will be an orange color dot over here. So once you get new license, or if the weekly update if you receive, it will all turn, and then you can see this is by okay. So for example, if you want to update for your charts only for your voyage, so you can select by route and all these things you can select it. But what I do, we usually do everything. So just click left click on anything, right click, select all. You see all selection selected 2 to 9, and then you can see here. So with this one, AIO also has got selected. Alright. So then you just have to connect your pen drive, and you can see down below there is AIO chart. Okay. So what you have to do is you have to connect your pen drive and then export, and then no USB device found. So basically here you will show that E drive. So E drive is your this USB drive which is down below. So you can select that one, and then you can export the files. It will take some 5-10 minutes to get exported, and then you can proceed with your updating of your